Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Gree Tarot. So how are you guys doing? I hope you're doing good, being safe and being happy. So if you're new to my channel, if you like the content, please give it a like, subscribe, comment or a share. If you have already subscribed my channel, thank you for subscribing, thank you for the support. In the description box below I have my Instagram page link. If you want to follow me there, please go ahead and give it a follow. Okay, so I am doing a collective reading today. Okay, I'm doing a collective reading today. So the topic is like, what do you need to know? Exactly what do you need to know right now? Okay, so that is the topic, and I'll be doing a mini charm reading also for 3 groups. So I thought I will just give the crystals here. So it's just a mini pick a card after this collective reading here. So this will be for group 1. This is the lapis lazuli. You can check, you can just select one. This is the lapis lazuli for the group 1 people. For this mini pick a card, I'll just pull out a card and some charms for the extra messages after this collective reading. And this is for my group 2, that is the rose quartz, and this is the green aventurine for my group 3. Okay, so this will be the first group. This is lapis lazuli, and this is the second group. This is rose quartz, and this will be the third group, that is green aventurine. Okay, so yeah, so one group, first group, you can just select it now itself. I'm just keeping it here. Okay, this so yeah, I'm just going to keep it here. First group lapis lazuli, second group rose quartz, and third group is green aventurine. Okay, so let's see. Okay, let's see. So what do you need to know exactly right now? The messages from your angels, ancestors or spirit guides, whatever you believe in. So let's see what you need to know right now. I'm using the wisdom of the oracle deck here. Okay, so let's start with this collective reading. I just felt called to do this, so I'm doing this. So let's see. Okay, I'm not going to take this. Okay, so yeah, let's see. Let's shuffle one more time and then we can just take the cards out. Okay, so what do my angel, what do they need to know right now? Okay, so this is the first card over here. Okay, you're feeling left out. Okay, so yeah, so sometimes you feel that you're not seeing something. So your angels are saying that to you. You're not seeing, you're not observing things. That's why you're feeling left out. You're feeling that you don't have anyone in your life. It's not like that. Okay, it's not, you're not alone. Your angels are always with you. You need to observe more. Okay, you need to see the signs, and everything happens for a reason. I feel that is also coming here. Everything happens for a reason. Okay, if you're feeling alone, you need to connect with your higher self, because there is no connection here. I feel like that. That's why you're feeling like this depressed here. Okay, so you need to know that you can connect with the divine, and there are people around you that will help you. Okay, you are feeling it's in your head that you're alone, that no one loves you or something like that. If you're feeling like that, your angels are saying there are people around you. You need to observe more. There are so many signs and synchronicities that is around you. Okay, they're helping you, they're giving you signs, but you're not seeing because you're always in your head. You're constantly worrying about certain things. You have doubt, you have fear about certain things that will not unfold. Okay, so that's why they are telling you to be like, keep your focus. Okay, be focused. I feel like that. Like this fox is very clever. You need to be clever. Okay, you don't have to be in this energy. You need to be more clever. Okay, you need to be more focused about the things you want in your life. If you will be in this position where you will be thinking that you can't achieve anything in your life, then you will be always in that energy. You need to get out of that energy. You need to connect with yourself. Okay, with your higher self. I feel like that. Yes, you need to be confident. Okay, so that is what coming. You're not confident. You're just like stressing about certain things. You're fearing about certain things. You're just thinking, when will all this end? Why my life is like this? But you're not putting effort. You're not focusing on things because you're always in this energy. You're feeling that no one is with you, because that's why you're feeling depressed. You can get out of the situation. Your angels wants you to know that you can get out of the situation. There is changes happening. Positive changes will happen when you observe more, when you listen to yourself, when you listen to your own intuition and be confident in yourself. Love yourself. You need to love yourself. You need to know that you're worthy of the things you want in your life. Okay, you will achieve everything when you have focus. If you want, you might be these kind of people who will work on something and then lose focus very easily. So you need to keep the focus alive. You need to be clever, you need to be intelligent, you need to keep working on the things you want to achieve in your life. Sometimes we just tend to give up so quickly. You need to keep following that path, okay? And when you keep following that path, when you feel that you are confident enough, and keep following and be happy in yourself, love yourself, then you will have the success in your life. Okay, with this 48 and 49, look at this 48 and 49 you got, like it's a stepping up. You need to step up, you know, you need to step up in your life. You need to be confident in your life. Okay, you are in this situation right now. You feel like that. I feel like that the situation is not this worse, okay, but you're feeling in that you know, you're feeling that in your head. For this reading, I completely feel like that. Okay, yes, we got this again. We got this card, you know, flexible. You need to be more flexible about the things. If one thing is not working, you need to see things from a different perspective and different ideas. You know, you need to observe more, you need to research more. I feel like that. Don't give up. Instead you're giving up, so don't do that. I feel like that for many of you, you are giving up. Yes, look at this. The next card here is you're blessed. You are blessed. Okay, you are blessed. Your angels are blessing you. They are with you. I told you, you're not seeing the signs, you're not seeing the synchronicities, because you're so deep inside your head. You're overthinking, you're not seeing the potential you have. You know, they're giving you messages, but you're not seeing because of this energy. You need to let go of that energy. You need to you're thinking that you're not capable of achieving certain things in your life, and it's just a mask that you are wearing about yourself. No, it's not. Okay, you're blessed. Your angels are blessing. Meditate. Okay, meditate and connect with your higher self. You're not connecting with them. You're just maybe you're you see these kind of things that are demotivating. Maybe there are people that demotivates you, and you're not listening to your intuition enough. Maybe you watch movies that are so toxic, or doing something that is not good for your health also. I feel like that. So don't do that. Okay, you need to get out of the situation. That is what your angels want you to know. And you need to be flexible. You know, you need to, if one thing doesn't, you know, it is not working, then take different steps. Okay, just don't lose focus and give up. Okay, that is what it's coming. You're blessed. Your angels are with you. Why are you so stressed? Look, they're telling you to be confident and come to the edge. Take risk. Sometimes you need to take the risk. You need to take the risk, then only you will be able to achieve the things in your life. You can't be always in the safe zone and thinking that you're not worthy enough, you'll not be able to achieve anything in your life. Why are you doing that to yourself? The angels are asking you. You have the potential. You can connect with your higher self. Your intuition is going to be strong. You're not listening to your intuition because you are always in this position here. Okay, and don't give up so quickly. Okay, so that is what is also coming, whatever it is. Sometimes maybe you're in a relationship and you feel that you're left alone, so it's time to take the power back. Okay, you don't have to feel like that in a relationship. A relationship means you need to feel good, and you need to have this kind of conversations where you are helping each other. And if you are feeling alone in a relationship, that means it's not good for you. You need to observe more. You need to see what are the good things for you. You need to do that. You need to open your eyes. You know, you need to trust your intuition. You need to connect with yourself. Okay, so that is what is coming. You're not connecting with yourself. That is the thing, and that's why you're feeling like this. So the angels here, the main messages from the angels is that you need to connect with yourself. You need to take a leap of faith and go forward, and don't be in this energy. Meditate, relax, connect with the nature. Okay, so that is what it's coming. So this is the main message I got from here. Okay, so now let's see the pick a card, small pick a card reading that I told I will be doing with the charm. Okay, so I'll be pulling these cards, one card. So this is the first group, lapis lazuli. This is the second group, this is rose quartz. So select one. Okay, close your eyes, meditate on each crystals and see what is the extra message for you. This is the group 1, this is group 2, and this is group 3. Lapis lazuli, rose quartz, and green aventurine. Okay, so yeah, just close your eyes, relax, meditate, and select one crystal for you for the extra message. I'll put the charm and from this card deck. Okay, so I'll go with lapis lazuli now. So what is the extra message for you guys? Let's see. So what is the extra message for you guys, for my group 1? What is the extra message divine? What the angels wants you to know? Okay, what the angels for this lapis lazuli group? What the angels wants you to know? Okay, yes, look at this. No need to worry about anything. You're so much in this worrying energy, you know. From the collective reading also, you're feeling so stressed, so alone. There is no need to worry. Everything is happening accordingly. You're just worrying and making your energy, you're restricting yourself and making that you're restricting the flow of the energy. So that's why the angels are telling the situation is going to improve. There is no need to worry. You need to believe in yourself. You need to take a leap of faith. Okay, so what is the charm? What does the charms have add to it? Okay, for my group. Okay, yes, look, you need to take your power back, right? With that, you're meant to fly high. Okay, you're meant to fly high. Why are you restricting yourself? The first pile, the continuation of the collective reading, I feel like this. There is no need to worry. You just follow your path. Take your power back and move forward. You have so, you are meant to dream big, not small. You have that potential. Dream big. Okay, look. In the collective reading, I told about the lack of connection with the divine, the lack of connection with your intuition. You need to make Om mantras. If you will do Om mantras, that will be helpful for you. Meditation, okay, with this Om mantra, it will relax your body, and you will have the intuition. You will have the messages from the angels. Look, the angels are protecting you. So much of guidance is coming. You're blessed. Why you're restricting this? Look, slow but surely you will reach. You will. Okay, you will. Sea turtle. We have the sea turtle, and I feel you need to connect with your intuition more. That is also with your subconscious mind. You need to put good thoughts into your subconscious mind, not bad thoughts, not bad negative energy. Okay, you need to keep on moving forward with your goals, plans. Don't stop. Why are you worrying so much about this? And then look, you have helpful people, you have loyal friends, there is faithfulness. Okay, you are meant to have people around you that will help you in this journey. You have so many people around you. For many of you, I feel like that with this dog, there are loyal people around you, and you need to connect. You have the potential to connect with your divine, with your intuition, with your higher self, but you're not doing it because you are always overthinking about a situation that is not the reality. Okay, so you need to put your energy wisely. You need to do that. Okay, I feel many of you know certain things, then too you will do the same thing. You repeat the same mistakes. I feel like that for this group also. Okay, so that's all I have for this first group. Okay, now the second one, whoever chose this rose quartz, let's see what's your so what is the message, extra message for you guys, and I'll pull out the charms also. Oh my God, look at that. Success. Okay, so why are you worrying? Success, you will get the success. Okay, don't worry. Yeah, get out of your comfort zone. You are playing it safe. I feel like that sometimes it's important to take the risk. The collective reading also told to come to the edge and take the risk, take the leap of faith, move forward. Why are you not doing that? And when you do that, success. Okay, get out of your comfort zone, guys. Let go of the past, let go of the things that is not working for you, and let go of the people. There are people around you that are just talking like crap. I feel like that. This parrot. Don't get into that kind of arguments. Some people let you down because of their talking. They talk sometimes they talk without thinking. There are people around you who are like that. Don't invest your energy on that. Just instant, and because of that you're feeling restricted or you're feeling sad, just let go of that kind of people. You need to just look that with this hammer, just let it go, let them go, okay? Why? I don't know. You have so much of magic power. You have this wand energy. You are meant to be successful, and because of these people you're thinking that you're not worthy, because they are making you feel, and you're getting into that trap. Don't do that. You have this power, you have this manifestation power, you have this magic wand, okay? You are protected. Look at this whole reading, people are protected from the divine, okay? You look, intuition, you need to connect with your intuition, and that's the same message for whole reading also. I feel like that, because you're not, and I feel many of you are healing also. In the process of healing, you're very kind people, you're very kind and caring, and you don't get it back, okay? And that's why there are people around you who you know, there are people around you, they will not care for you, and you are the one who is caring, thinking about other people. You don't have to do that right now, okay? You need to let go of that people who are not good for you. You need to understand that you can't be kind to everyone who is not kind to you. You need to let go of them. I'm not saying to talk back or something, just let them go. Don't get into an argument, just let them go, okay? They're not good for you, that's the thing. And maybe because of that also, you will not be able to achieve your success. You are in this negative thinking all the time because of these people, because of this environment. You need to get out of your comfort zone. Even though it's risky, you need to take a leap of faith. That's what it's coming, okay? You trust your intuition. Look, you're transforming, you're spiritually transforming with this lotus. Spiritual awakening is coming. I'm sure you will get out of, and this will make you get out of your comfort zone, right? Look, monkey, you will have the energy to move forward. You will move forward, I feel like that. And yes, you are meant for success also with this. Right now you are in this indecision. Right now you don't know what you need to do. So that's the thing. You need to trust your intuition with this owl. Whenever you feel indecision, whenever you feel where you need to go, left or right, just ask yourself, ask your heart, and let your heart guide you, okay? You are definitely protected. Your fairies are protecting you. You need to be more cheerful, joyful, but you're not. With this collective reading, we talked about being left out by other people. By other people, you are feeling left out. You don't have to do that. You need to focus on yourself, your goals, and keep moving forward. Connect with your higher self. Meditate, okay? Success is, you know, you got this card, so you will get the success in anything you want. So it's up to you whether you want to achieve that or not, whether you want to be in this kind of energy and thinking negative, overthinking, or you need to get out of your comfort zone and do something daring and get the success in your life. It's up to you. You need to make a decision whether you want to follow your heart or not, okay? It's up to you. So that's what the second group. So for my group 3s, who I chose that. So what is your extra message? Let's see what you need to know. Okay, so we got one card here down here. Remain positive. It's all about the same things, you know. Some extra messages also like this. These 3 groups have, they're telling you to remain positive. They're telling you to don't worry, okay? So that is all coming here. You need to get out of that 5, the orphaned energy, and think that nothing is gonna, you always think I feel what will go wrong. No, you don't have to think like that. You need to think what will go right, okay? So that is what it is. You need to be positive, and when you're positive, when you connect with yourself, things move forward, okay? So what are the charms saying? Okay, let's see. Love. Look, love is important, okay? You're not loving yourself. Self-love is important here. You need to be positive. You're very harsh on yourself, okay? You don't have to do that. Again, we got this for second pile also. We got that different shell to get out of your comfort zone, take a leap of faith, move forward. Same things are coming for these 3 piles also. It's like a same energy I feel for this, with this collective reading. Extra messages also. Look, you have the problem solutions. You have the solutions within yourself. Your intuition is so strong. You have all the answers within yourself. Don't attach yourself to that environment where there are people, they're not good for you also. You're attaching to that kind of things. Maybe you're attaching for some, you're obsessing about something, or you're attached to something that is not good for you. Maybe it's alcohol, anything like that. You need to let go of that attachment, and you need to connect more with your higher self. Your intuition is the same message repeating, I don't know. And yes, you need to work on yourself. You need to look at the star card. Your wishes are going to fulfill, okay? You need to heal. You are healing, and you need to believe in that you will be able to achieve your success. You will be able to achieve your wish. Your wishes will be fulfilled. You need to believe in it and be positive about it, okay? So make a wish and believe in it without fear, without self-doubt, and don't attach yourself anything. Sometimes we are tied down because of something. Maybe for you, that is the thing. You're attaching yourself to certain things in life that is not good for you. Maybe food, extra eating, eating junk food or something like that, or maybe emotional eating, or maybe you are focusing too much on some other people instead of you. Okay, so there is some kind of attachment that you need to let it go. Or maybe you are attaching yourself to this negative feelings, feeling always negatively, always on your head, because this all the collective reading is the same. The three extra messages are also telling to connect with your inner self, connect with your higher self, okay, and to be positive and not to think negative, okay? Maybe you're these all people who are watching, I feel they are always on their head, okay? They need to do something different, need to get out of their comfort zone, okay? So that's all I have for group 3 also. So I'll see you soon. Bye bye, take care.